In the first 48 hours of his second term, President Trump signed 4 executive orders designed to, quote-unquote, eliminate illegal DEI programs and restore merit-based practices. This applies primarily to the federal government, but to an extent, it could impact the private sector as well. This raises the question, how do these executive orders impact the diversity, equity, inclusion, accessibility, and belongingness initiatives in your organization? Perhaps not as much as you think. In fact, for many organizations, they will have little to no impact whatsoever, provided you are engaged in 3 specific practices. On Wednesday, March 26th, we'll discuss these practices, which include making sure your DEI activities are directly or indirectly connected to your strategic objectives, making sure you evaluate the effectiveness of your DEI interventions with metrics, and ensuring that whatever you offer as a part of your DEI process, you offer it to everyone. So join me on March 26th, when we will examine these practices, discuss specific examples, and have a great conversation about President Trump's DEI executive orders.